Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, we are tackling a very common problem that many people face, and that is the MT4 and MT5 not enough money error. Okay, so if you've ever tried to place a trade and then you see that message pop up, you know um okay, so if you try to place a trade and then you are unable to place a trade, as a result of not enough money. Okay, so this is not the exact error. Okay, but if your reason for not being able to place a trade is not enough money, remember that is the particular error that we are talking about. Okay, so if that happens to you, it could be that your lot size is too big. As you can see, the first thing I did was to increase the lot size to 100, because that's one of the common reasons why you try to execute a trade and you get that error message of not enough money. Okay, it usually happens because your lot size is too big for your account balance. So in MetaTrader, every trade you open requires a certain amount of margin. All right, it requires a certain amount of margin. So margin is the amount of money set aside from your balance to keep a trade open. So if your account does not have enough margin, enough available margin, the trade will not execute and you will get that error. Okay, so the first step is to check your lot size. All right, that's the first thing you want to do. Check your lot size. If you are trying to open a position that is too large, simply reduce the lot size. Okay, okay, let's just continue on MT5. Seems like there's something wrong with something is hindering me from executing a trade here. But we are not, the purpose of this video is not to discuss the trade is disabled error. We want to discuss not enough money error. All right, so that's what we're going to be focusing on. Okay, so now okay, so if you try to execute a trade and you get that error, you just want to reduce your lot size and try again. So maybe you are trying with a lot size 1 and it didn't work. Maybe you want to try 0.1, for example. Okay, or maybe you reduce it a little bit. But if you are getting not enough money error, it shows that you are probably attempting to over leverage. So you want to check your risk again before you decide on the lot size to use, right? So that depends on your balance. All right, you don't want to risk your entire balance in just one trade. Okay, meanwhile, just the simple adjustment of your lot size fixes the error most of the time. Now let us talk about leverage. Okay, leverage is a tool that allows you to control a larger trade size with a smaller balance. So if your broker provides high leverage, you will need less margin to open a trade. If your leverage is set too low, you may run into the not enough money error more often. So you want to check your broker's leverage settings in your account dashboard. Sometimes increasing leverage can help, but always use it carefully. Okay? Another important point is your account balance and your free margin. So you want to go to your terminal, all right? You want to go to your terminal window in MT4 or MT5 and you look at the balance, equity margin and free margin values. If your free margin is too low, you won't be able to open new trades. The solution is either to close some positions, reduce your lot size, or deposit additional funds to increase your margin availability. You also want to understand how to calculate required margin before placing a trade. Now, each instrument, whether it is a Forex indices or commodity, whether it is Forex indices or commodities, each one has its own margin requirement. So you want to check with your broker or use an online margin calculator to see exactly how much is needed for the lot size that you want to trade. All right. So this way, you can avoid running into the error in the first place. Now, sometimes the error may also be caused by your broker's settings. Certain accounts have minimum trade size requirements or restrictions on leverage. So if you have tried all the steps and still face the problem, you want to contact your broker to confirm your account's margin rules. All right. So to prevent this issue going forward, always make sure your lot sizes are realistic. Okay, make sure that you're always using realistic lot sizes for your account balance. All right, and then keep an eye on your free margin and learn how different leverage levels affect your ability to open trades. Okay, so basically that is how to fix the MT4 and MT5 not enough money error. You choose your lot size, you check your leverage, you monitor your free margin, calculate the margin requirements before placing trades. Following these steps will ensure your orders go through smoothly without that frustrating error message. If this video helped you, go ahead and hit the like button, share it with your trading friends, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Drop a comment below if you've experienced this error before and let me know which fix worked for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.